Hello guys, this is Rich. In this video I'll show you how to make your 808s hit harder in Ableton Live. So in previous video I've showed you some tips, but in this one I'll focus particularly on 808. So let's get to it. I'll add some 808 to my channel. Let's get with this one, and I'll click on my key and also put the tuner. So you can see it's a bit off of the tune, so you need to detune it the right way so it gets in the point. Okay, so that's perfect. And the first way of doing this, put Soft Clipper on your master channel. You do it this way. Put the glue compressor and just click the soft, and then you need to bring the volume up and just play it. Okay, so that sounds better. Let's record some 808 pattern, Put the tempo and just record it. Okay, let's get it done. Okay, so I need to tweak it a bit. Put the one shot, make it shorter, put the fade out, and then quantize it. It's a bit off here. Okay, it's good. So then you select everything, Ctrl A, and bring the velocity to the same level, all the way up. And then, what do you need to do next to make it hit even harder? You need to blend it with kicks. So I'll add kick right here. This one is good enough. It's really hard. You see how hard it is? So you need to just copy this pattern and put it in the same level, on the same key. Then click fold, and I think it's good. The kick is really hard, so you might want to bring it down. Okay, so I'll show you another way, even harder one. So for that, you need to turn it off and add saturator right on your master channel. So you'll see how that sounds like. So you see it's really good and really distorted. Sounds a bit like splurge type beat, And you can also copy that here and turn on the Soft Clipper and put this effect only on 808, and it sounds a bit different, but you can just pick the right sound which you want for your track. And what else I can tell you? Let's make this beat done a little bit. Just bring the clap. Come on, man, what happened here? Okay, so then what you want to do to make it the AOA even brighter, just put the open head layout together with 808, so it will sound like that. So it's an interesting way too. So that's how you do it basically, but I'll show you another way, you know, but it's not a necessary one. I just use it sometimes. I have this effect rack drum booster in my drum kit, so you just put it on 808 or on your drums, but in this video let's put it on 808, and then you'll see how that sounds like. And turn it on. So you can hear the sound is interesting and hard as well, and you can bring the saturator back and just, you know, experiment with it. So that's it basically for this video. I hope it was hard enough for you, and let me know in the comments what you think, or if you have any question, I'll answer immediately. Okay, so thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.